The Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max comes with 6.9 inches Full HD plus LTPO OLED display, 120Hz. And Kunlun Glass 2 protection, rear cameras 50 megapixel main plus 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, plus 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 40 megapixel ultrawide with 4K video, 13 megapixel selfie. With 4K video, powered by Kirin 9030 Pro, 6nm chipset, it runs on Harmony OS 6.0. Comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB, 1 TB storage, no microSD. Comes backed by a 6000 mAh battery with 100-watt charging, measures 8.25mm thickness and 239 grams weight, and colors: Polar Black, Aurora Green, Polar Silver, Polar Gold. Other features include side fingerprint sensor, face unlock, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, stereo, speakers, IR blaster, and IP68, IP69 rating. Pricing starts at 7,999 Chinese yuan for the 16 GB plus 512 GB model.